Hello, welcome to EDD 705, Cell Pedagogy in Practice. Looking forward to our journey this semester throughout the course, and I'm looking forward to getting to know you as students and as people, especially as we enter into the summer for our dissertation phase. I've started reading some of your abstracts, impressed with what I am seeing, and asking questions and stuff like that. So this is the exciting part of your program, getting to that part of your dissertation. And it's exciting for me to see you get to this point. And hopefully soon I'll be able to meet you all in person as we get back to having a residency in person. Because it's nice to see you on Zoom, but sometimes it's nice to actually, like bang a glass and say cheers. So for this course, we are going to talk a lot about the pedagogy and practice of social emotional learning. And I know that you have been prepared through your courses. You've looked at trauma-informed care, you've looked at a lot of research, and one of the things that we are going to be doing throughout this course is we want to make this very practical to you, but also it's the practice which is rooted in this ideal of research. So you'll find that throughout as you're doing your reading, as you're doing your projects and your assignments throughout the course. Now, to begin with, I understand that there's been an issue with the e-reserves. And to be honest, I started to record a video a moment ago and saying, here's how you get to them, and realized when I went through that whole process, it wasn't there. So we are doing that again. I am going to share my screen with you so that I can just walk you through how to get to our course reserves. All right. And so I'm starting in, as you would do, you would log into your course and you're going to go to module 0. And under important links, you're going to see that down here. What you're going to see is 705 library sources. And there was another one that's called e-reserves, and I've hidden that from you, so you will not be able to see that. And you'll click on the library resources. When you click on that resources, what you'll notice is that quite often is showing as such. In the top left-hand corner, you're going to click on current reading list if you're not seeing something different. And what's going to happen is that in a moment, it'll populate the reading list. And once you have that populated, every time it should come up. I'm going to do that again, but this time I'm going to go in and I'm going to do the student view. So then I see exactly what you are seeing. And sometimes when you tell me there's an issue going on, if you let me know specifically, then I can go in through student view and view as you are viewing. So again, I'm going to click on module 0, the welcome. I'm going to click on the important links. And you'll notice here that the one that said e-reserves, it's no longer there. It's EDD 705 library resources to the last link. I'm going to click there. And what you'll notice is that it is going to load and everything should be here. Now, a couple of things just to remember as you're thinking about this is that I believe, if I'm correct, most of you, I'm going to go ahead and stop the share on this for right now. So I believe most of you have purchased this book, Social Emotional Learning, Handbook of Social Emotional Learning. The people in this book, so I've actually had meetings with Joseph Durlack and Roger Reisberg, sitting in the same room with them. Great people, great resources, excellent researchers. You also have access to this book through the Sacred Heart Library. The reason why we have it through the e-reserves and not just as PDFs in the assignment is because one of the things that Sacred Heart Library does is they make sure that they keep up subscriptions of things that they know that people are using, and they know that you're using them when you download them from the library. So if you'll go to the e-reserves and download them, you should be able to get to them that way. If for some reason, and there may be a couple of times, if a link for some reason does not work, let me know and I'll get to you as soon as possible. But you also have the ability to do a interlibrary loan And the 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 way that the interlibrary loan works is that they'll go and they'll fund that resource and they'll send it over to you. But it also lets the library know, hey, people are requesting this resource. We happen to have 17 people who are requesting this resource, or 19. Maybe we should make sure that we have that accessible for other people. So as you get these resources, also, I would probably save them in a folder on my computer so that when you're going to write your dissertation and you're doing your literature review, or you're connecting your findings back to practice, you have it there easily accessible. So hopefully that answers the questions with the reserves and the articles for this course. Again, I'm looking forward to our time together this semester. If you have a question, please do not hesitate to email me. You're feel free to call me. My number is 303-910-7263. That's with me not being in the office, that's my home number, so that's the easiest one to get me. And you are also welcome to text me. If you text me, just tell me who you are, so that I know I have some idea. Tell me who you are and which class you're in, and it'll help me to be able to answer quickly. And with that, so next week, I look forward to having a time with us together to talk about the course. What I say, if there's something that's confusing between now and next week, definitely send me an email, or you can wait. I'm the type of person that's not going to say you're going to be penalized for something you didn't understand. If it's something that you legitimately didn't understand, let's work it out. Let's figure it out. Let's figure out what's going on to help you to be successful. That is my goal in this course as a guide, is to help you to be successful and definitely to understand at a deeper level social emotional learning, pedagogy, and practice as it relates to school. So until next week, stay safe. As we're coming up on the weekend, have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to seeing you soon.